Hi guys, this is Charlie Money, and I'm gonna give you an update today, January 29, overnight trading of my portfolio summary, US stock market. FYI, this video is for beginners. I post my portfolio summary almost every day. We started out with a small capital, around $750, and the objective is to grow this small amount into a bigger amount, right? So that's the objective. And of course, also to encourage beginners that you don't need a big sum of money to start trading and investing in the US stock market, and you could do that just by downloading an app, a trading app, on your phone, wherever you are in the world that's applicable to you. Okay, you could use it in Android or in iPhone. So let's start. Okay, as you can see, my equity has grown from to $1,065, uh, and it all happened in 19 days. And 2 days ago, my portfolio went down like 1,010, or no, 910. And I was actually nervous about it, but it's natural because all of my equities are related to silver and gold and tech stocks, especially the storage stocks, data storage stocks like SanDisk and Western Digital. So let's go to the summary. So here's the summary of my performance. Total capital $756. Total equity 1,065, the one that I showed you right now. Total profit is now $308.85. Growth, for the last 19 days, I have grown 19 trading days. The portfolio has grown to 40.85%. The S&P's growth is year to date is 2.14%. So that versus my performance, I have outperformed the S&P 500 by 38%, 38.71%. So all that in 19 trading days. That's minus weekends and holidays in the United States. So 165 and hopefully growing.